agent, you don't need a bond attorney. You don't need a bond. You don't need an attorney for the transfer. You don't need an originator or a bank for the bond. And everything starts with us. And I always felt that in South Africa, agents aren't properly acknowledged and recognized. And as I'm talking now to experienced agents, eh? And I just felt that there was something lacking in the market for experienced agents. And so we started this business just under 6 years ago now. We're almost 6 years old at Real Estate Services, and it's been an amazing journey. We are so humbled and so proud to be serving just under 700 agents across the country, from Cape Town through to Port Elizabeth, George, Joburg, Pretoria, all the provinces, KZN, Mpumalanga, you name the provinces, we have top agents operating there. And we are in the business of changing agents' lives for the better forever. And we came up with the concept of real estate services because this is what we do. We offer real estate services to experienced agents, and we're going to get into the detail now. But from my side, I'm super grateful to have everybody on this call. It will be recorded. Please let me repeat again. Please relax, have a cup of coffee. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section. Jade or David, please just post a link in the comment section. Should guys want to join at any stage, click on that link or go back to the person that referred you to be at this meeting. Okay, so let's get cracking. So I'm going to take you through our values, our vision, and our mission very quickly. There's our website, realestateservices.co.za. Should you want to join at any stage during this presentation or after it, just go to that website and join, or reply to the email that invited you to this. So our value system is honoring people above business and deals. I think that's what business is all about. And if you chase money as an agent, it gets wings and flies away. Our vision is to be the leader in making real estate transactions a breeze in South Africa. Myself and Carol are of the opinion that real estate's not very complicated. It's a wonderful vehicle for people to access as estate agents, and we make it as simple as we possibly can, and you'll see that shortly. And then our mission is to provide premium real estate services to agents. See, something happened there. This is just a sample of some of the digital marketing our marketing team puts out for our agents and our business. Alrighty. So let's jump straight into our current vital stats, as we call it, of our business up to a few days ago, April 2024. So you'll see from the top there, that is our agent count on the left. That is the next column is agents joining us. And then you'll see in that number, there's agents coming in and agents going out. Agents only leave us for two reasons.
My screen is blank. Sorry, guys, but I can't see. Oh, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, it's a bit laggy. Thank you so much. So when we let agents go, it's only for two reasons. They're doing deals under the table, sadly, without reporting it. We do not tolerate anything that goes against the PPRA code of conduct, and we will take quick action. The other reason is we remind our people to renew their FFCs. We're very lenient, but when the dates arrive and it's not done, we won't work with agents that don't have an FFC. So if you go look at that graph there, here on the right, you'll see our agent count situation there. And you can see the growth there. It's self-explanatory. I promise you, myself and Carol had no idea that we would hit such a nerve in the market. So many agents hungry for success, hungry to receive all of the commission. And you know, the whole bottom line of starting this business was, I know many, many agents that have left and started their own businesses, and then they fail, because what makes you a good agent is how you deal with your buyers, your tenants, your sellers, your landlords. Then you start a business, and now you got to find premises, you got to look for leases, and you take your eye off the ball, what made you great. At Real Estate Services, we're all about bringing your passion for real estate back, because we all, none of us are agents after school. We all hear from other industries, and we want to ignite your passion for real estate by putting the money in your account when you do your deals. And that's what we do. And then just in summary, you'll see in the last, look at me pointing. You guys can't see where I'm pointing. So you'll notice the, total contracts written, 316 million in January this year, a brand new record. February this year, our team did just under 370 million. March, also another record month, 373.6 million. And this month so far, it's looking to be a great month. So we're super proud of our team. Well done, guys. We are making history. Now, let me take you through some of the highlights in our business, and I think things you would like to know. So as I've said, we're proudly and humbly serving 690 agents across the country. We've concluded a total of 10.1 billion or 644 OTP contracts written. This is since we've started. We've done 5.36 billion or a total of 3,931 property sales registered and sold in South Africa. We have paid out to agents, guys, this is the amazing part, 237.6 million rand. So this is just incredible. We are empowering agents. Carol and I get stories every day of agents that are with us for a year and a half, 2 years. They're buying a house cash. They're buying a car cash. Their lives are changing forever for the better. And this is what we are so thrilled about, and what gives us the energy to get up every day and do what we're doing for agents in South Africa. We've paid out passive income. This is passive income, no work from the agent. Profit share, we'll explain what that is, and referrals on deals of 11.9 million rand. We have a churn rate in our business of less than 2%. The other big brands that I worked at all have churn rates of between 20 to 30%. Churn rate means when an agent joins the business, they stay for a while and then they leave because they get a better offer. That doesn't happen with us, as you can see. Once the agents join us, they are very happy. And if the agent leaves us and we like them, we will say you're welcome back if things don't work out. And I would say 90% of the guys that leave us that are good agents do come back. This is so important, guys. And let me just start by saying, when we started this business, we decided to be a digital virtual agency before the days of COVID. So we practiced for 6 months. We didn't know COVID was coming. Nobody did. And everybody understood what virtual was, and we took off like a rocket. We're still flying. We're still taking off. In fact, we tried to slow the growth down so we can just build systems around supporting our wonderful agents. And because of that way of doing our business, we never invested in buildings and staff to maintain those buildings, like receptionists. Yes, we do have a national call center, but they're virtual. Yes, we do have a support team, but they're virtual. We're sitting today in our offices in Clearwater Office Park, which we use from time to time for things like this and to meet with people. But we decided from the start not to invest in offices, but to invest in the marketing of our listings. Nothing is more important. That has paid off. It's been a good strategy, and we can proudly say that we are consistently in the top 3 in South Africa for the volume of leads received each month from Property24, the biggest portal in the country. So that's an amazing achievement. We've achieved the #1 slot in Joburg and Pretoria for being #1 for the number of listings on Property24 for the last 2 years. That's incredible. Some more reviews and highlights. We continue to bring... Sorry, I did put it on silent. What is happening to my tech? We continue to bring agent-centric features to our amazing team. We've revamped our entire website backend and the front end to automate the recruiting process. So we've got AI and tech in there to ensure that we only bring the right agents into our business with the required experience. So if you're an agent sitting there and you haven't done at least 5 sales in the last 12 months, keep going, keep pushing. When you hit 5 sales, contact us. If you are Yeah. So
come back to us.
Yeah, if you are an experienced agent doing more than 5 sales, this presentation is for you, and it might change your life forever.
If I can add to you.
Please.
The reason we do that is purely, I think it's self-explanatory. We do not take on rookie agents because we do not have a training center. So it's not because we don't want to bring new people into our business or into real estate per se, but we cannot offer the rookie training as needed. And that is why we only take on experienced agents. So I think if you can understand that and you can work independently, you are definitely way ahead of the batch.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So we've revolutionized the onboarding process, and we activate agents in under 24 hours. It's also an industry first. So once we receive your application, you'll be onboarded the same day. We do weekly online training sessions every Tuesday with our trainer. His name is Abel. And Abel also invites guests, seasoned professionals in the industry to expand our agents' minds. It's not boring, normal real estate training. It's about mindset. It's about what you can do in your business to make a difference today. The videos are also recorded, and our people can access the paperwork and the sessions from the website membership area. No, it's okay. Our business is built by agents for agents, guys, and there's our website again. We also continue to deliver world-class tech tools to our team. This one I'm very proud of. We launched the first of its kind in South Africa, which is the Res Estate Agent app, to better support our agents and serve our agents in lightning fast speed. So let's have a look at what this app does. It places amazing power and tools at the fingertips of all of our agents, empowering you on a whole new level. This app is what's called a web app, so you don't have to download it from the Google Store or the Apple Store. It'll work on any device that can go online. So that would be your cell phone, your laptop, your PC, your MacBook, your Mac, or any tablet. You can then, our res agents can request Lightstone's CMA reports. They can request owner's contact details. You can appoint your sales deals from within the app to one of our panel attorneys or your own attorney. And by the way, this is all free of charge to the guys that join us on 80%, 90%, 85%, and 95%. For the guys on the 100%, we're busy introducing a button so that they can purchase these services at cost price. But for everybody on 95, 90, 85, or 80% or lower, it's free of charge as a service to our team. You can request your bond finance or pre-approvals, and then you will earn, if you use the Real Estate Services bond partners, you will receive 0.35% bond com from our partners who are Pro Mortgage, and they also have an alliance with Old Mutual. Old Mutual is one of the oldest insurers in the country, over 100 years old, and we've tied up a deal for all res agents to not only receive BondCom, but should the client wish to make use of Old Mutual services like cover on their bond and short-term insurance, the agents receive income there as well. And then from within the app, you can share our business model with other agents to earn more passive income with the Res Profit Share. We'll explain that later. You can also request support for anything at all, and we're always adding to this to bring more features. These are just some of the screenshots for the app. So that's the login screen. These are all the requestable buttons at the moment. So you want owners' numbers or Lightstone or CMA, they click there. You want to share the model, you click there. You need support. You want to appoint an attorney on your OTP, you go for it there, and you get your bond going from there. And then when you click on owner and property details, this is the screen that opens up. Our guys just click CMA, or they need phone numbers, or they need a request. This is linked to Google addresses. So you type in the address if you know it. If you don't know that, we can accept GPS coordinates, or you can put in any details that you like there. Oopsie daisy. You can share the business model by WhatsApp or email. You can appoint your sales, your new OTP that you've just written right from within the app. to one of our panel attorneys, or if you don't see your favorite attorney on that list, you just scroll down and you say appoint another attorney, and you type in the attorney's email address, and then you attach the OTP, and it goes to the attorneys and the right people in our admin team. These are just some samples from Jade in our amazing marketing team there. They're constantly churning out wonderful marketing material to help you find buyers, to help you find more stock. And especially, you know, if you're building up your own Facebook page, it's very important to start putting content on that. And Jade can help with that for a very small fee. Right, here's just a little video. Just kick back, relax, and watch this.
Don't be like Andrew. Be better than Andrew.
All righty, let's take you through the key advantages. So you can use your brand or our brand, and you can build a team. So when we say use your brand, you can design and create a brand. You can have your own website by using Propcon, Propcon. Lihandri runs that. A lot of our people use Lihandri. It's super cheap. It's about 400 odd rand a month to build your own brand. All we say is have your logo, but underneath your logo, you need to have the words powered by Real Estate Services. That being said, since we are becoming such a force to be reckoned with in the market and becoming more and more known, a lot of people just love to use our brand, and we're very happy to say yes to that as well.
The only place where you cannot use your own brand is on Property 24. So when doing a listing on Property 24, it would come up as your face and Real Estate Services. However, your business cards, your personal websites, your boards, whatever other material you use can be your brand powered by Real Estate Services.
Thank you, Carol. No micromanagement means exactly that. We're not going to sit on any of our agents' backs. We don't follow up. We allow you to be an adult. We treat you like an adult with respect. And if you need something, you can contact myself, Carol, or our dynamic team for anything and everything at all. Premium marketing of your clients' listings. We've covered that in detail, but just so you know, Real Estate Services is right up there in South Africa. We're in the top 3 for the volume of leads. They won't tell us who's 1, 2, and 3, but we're in the top 3. I can tell you the other company that's there has been there for 30 years, and the other firm has been there for 70 years. We are here for just over 5 years, and we're already there. So it's a testament to all our amazing agents. We are a network. We are a force to be reckoned with in the market, guys, and we are so proud to be presenting to you today. We have no area restrictions whatsoever. You can list anywhere you like in South Africa. You're free to use our recommended panel of conveyancing attorneys or yours when you're doing a sale. If your seller has an attorney, then you use that seller's attorney. If they don't, you can use somebody that you like or one of our recommended panel attorneys. And just on that point, we recommend these attorneys because of their speed of transfer, the efficiency of their back office. They're playing a good game, and that's why they're on the list. So you can be very, and your seller doesn't know attorney to appoint one of those. Real Estate Services Finance, our bond division through Pro Mortgage, pays 0.35% BondCom on your sales for the bonds, and you earn ongoing commission from Old Mutual. You don't have to use them, but you're very welcome to use them if you'd like to. 5% profit share income for sales on agents referred. So what that means is, at Real Estate Services, one of the ways we grow is we say to our agents, please talk to other agents, spread the love, spread the good news, help change somebody's life. There's a little WhatsApp link that the agent can then send out to someone that they know. The agent looks at it. Our onboarding team engages with them. They join, they do a sale. You receive 5% profit share of their sales income. So let me give you an idea. Let's say that that agent that you referred joined us on, let's say, the 80% level, no monthly fees. They do a sale, the com's 100,000 Rand. So that agent receives 80,000, Res receives 20 plus VAT. The profit share will be 5% of the 80,000 divided by 1.15 to take out the VAT. So it's a nice lump sum of money. I always like to use, Carol.
Wait.
Yes.
This money or the payment on the profit share comes from real estate portions.
From our side. Yes.
Not off the agent's side.
Yes.
So the agent loses nothing on their com. Real Estate Services, yeah, we maybe lose a little bit, but we gain so much more in the long run. We are not yet to screw anybody over for 5 grand or 3 grand or 10 grand. Our vision is way bigger than that. We are here to change agents' lives daily.
Yes.
Because going right back to the beginning, you are the one that does the hard work. You are the one that deserves the money. Now you may carry on.
Lovely. And that is passive income. So I always use Carol as an example. I know she doesn't mind. Carol only referred 3 very good agents to our business all those years ago when she joined. And Carol easily makes between 30 to 60,000 Rand every 3 months as a passive income. So it's really lucrative. And it's our way of saying thank you for spreading the good news. Like I've said, you will have access to top marketing designs and templates for your business. So what does this actually now all mean for you and to you? First of all, lightning fast payments into your account. We don't do once a week payments or twice a week. We do payments all day, every day, non-stop in our rental department as well as from the attorney side.
But how does that work when a property registers?
Thank you, Carol. So how we work at Res, when a property registers, we're all about empowering agents to get cash flow into your bank account as quick as possible. The way that it works at Res is you don't work for us. You run your own business under our banner. When you do a deal, it will then register, and we instruct on our OTP the attorneys in that example. Then the agent will send an invoice to the attorneys for 80,000. Res will send the invoice for 20,000 plus VAT two things happen there. One, the seller only pays VAT on the real estate portion because the agent is not a VAT vendor, although some of our agents are, but 90% aren't. So there's a saving to the seller. The big one is that you get paid super fast. So the moment the agent gets paid, we get paid. That's an industry first. Nobody's ever done it because people say then agents can steal. We say, if they steal, we won't work with them. So we operate on a very simple 2-page contract with our people. You will get that contract from our marketing team should you want to join. And the same time we get paid on a sale, the agents get paid. So that's amazing, right? You will earn more commission from 80% to 100% of it all. Better cash flow for your hard work. When you're running a business, cash flow is everything. If you run out of money, you've got problems. We hopefully have your back in that regard. And if you're doing sales and you're doing rentals, your life will change like you can't believe. So what we say at Res is just do what you were doing before. Now you're doing it for yourself and the money changes. Nothing else changes. Besides better marketing, let me tell you that. All of your requirements on demand from Res, we are available to you. We've got an admin team on the rental side, on the sales side, on the IT support side, and also on your deals. You know, sometimes agents are just struggling to close a deal. They phone Carol or they phone me. 2 heads are better than 1. We have got many years experience. We've both been agents our whole lives, and we know what to advise you to close your deal, you know. And
if we don't know, we will find somebody that does know.
100%.
So we don't just turn our backs.
Yeah, we are to help you close your deals. Sometimes a quick 5-minute conversation sets it on track and the deal comes in 2 hours later. Free mentoring and support, like I've said, via our team and Carol and myself. Every week we have a motivational and training session Tuesday online at 10 o'clock. This means that we want you to get your passion back for this amazing field of real estate. Again, none of us left school to become an agent. We all come from other backgrounds and we've all gone through the mill. I tell you guys, when I became an agent, when I was 31 years old.
He's old.
I went through 5 agencies because I couldn't believe how unprofessional people were and how badly I got treated. Coming from a corporate background, I had some standards. And eventually I found a company that worked right and I started getting going and I've never looked back. But I became an agent and I left my corporate field, shall I say, and I walked away from a big salary because of the money that an agent can make and because of the time you have available to you to plan your own life. And that is what this industry gives us. I think estate agents, we are warriors. We are fighters. We don't give up and we are writing our destiny. And agents at Real Estate Services align with that vision because you are not just an agent. You are a business owner. You are empowering your life financially and with our systems to take your business to a whole new level. You can operate on your own as a solo agent. We've got many, many agents doing that. In fact, many of these agents are making way more than R1 million a year. Just one agent doing a sale to 5 sales a month and doing rentals. But you're allowed to build a team. And if you want help or advice, Carol and myself, that's what we've done our whole lives. And we can help you and avoid the pitfalls that happen when you build a team. It means for you more time, more money, more life to live. And to end it all, you are building your own rental book. You're building your own business. So what do I mean by that? In our business, let's say you've got a big rental book and you've got 50, 100 clients in your rental book. You're making 50 to 100 grand a month. If you want to sell your rental book, you can sell it. Not only will our team help you, we will give you the statements since you've been in business. We use a wonderful system called We Connect You, and the same in your sales business. The way we look at it is as follows. All agents in our business are our clients. You don't work for us, you work for yourself. Our attitude and our process from leadership all the way down to everybody in our business is as follows. How can we help you? What can we do for you? It's not the traditional way where we are your boss. Yes, we are the principals. Yes, we got to run and abide by the laws. But our approach is slightly different. We view our agents as our clients, and therefore it's your rental book, it's your sales business. If you want to sell it, you can sell it. We've got agents that have actually sold their book and then they build up another book. So just remember that it's a very important thing, because in our industry, hey, as Carol knows, the company you work for actually owns all your stock and they own all your rentals. You don't own it. But at Res, whatever you build is yours to keep for income or to sell one day. So that's quite an important thing to say. So how does it work? The first thing, there's no desk fees, no joining fees, no royalties, no sudden changes ever. Why do we make that funny statement, hey? We make that statement. You want to tell them why?
No, you're going to tell them
why.
why.
The reason we do that, guys, is because in our wonderful industry, unfortunately, as the pressure mounts in the businesses out there, they suddenly make changes to your fees, to the money you get out, because they need to do that to keep their business open, because they are traditional businesses. We are not a traditional business. We are pioneers. We are out there doing things that have never been done before in real estate. We are teaching attorneys every day how we work and educating attorneys. So that is why we say that. And me personally as well, when I was an agent, and by the way, I started Res by being an agent, doing sales, Carol and myself, and using the money we made from our sales, putting it into the business to grow this business. There's nothing more frustrating as an agent than when you do a deal, hey, and you think you're going to get 50 grand, but you only get 32 grand. Or you think you're going to get 30, but then you only get 50 because your company's introduced so many deductions. With us, that will never happen. So if you want to join us, and you don't want to pay any monthly fees, the 80% package is the way to go. No monthly costs, no upfront license fee, no joining fee. Our marketing team will supply you with a standard artwork that is available in the area, what's it called? The Res membership area. Sorry, I got tongue-tied there. The agent membership area has got standard artwork available for you, for your business cards, for your for sale boards, for your branding, for your on-show boards. And should you want custom stuff, Jade can do it for you. It's at a really good price.
Really?
It's like 300, 400. It's really cheap, guys. So that is available.
Take into account the reason we are doing this is to empower agents. Again, I'm going to say, putting the power back into your hands, because you are the one that does the hard work.
100%. Righty, then you can purchase the first level where you can buy a higher commission package, or what we call a license, 85% on everything. You pay 1044.49 excluding VAT, and a once-off purchase of 30,000 excluding VAT. Same artwork support, unlimited agents in your team. You can go up to 90%. We got quite a lot of people on the 90% split. The new price is 1724.97 plus VAT, or a once-off fee of 40,000 plus unlimited agents and artwork. Also, all the way up to 95%, full access up to the app at no cost, besides the monthly fee. If you want to take up the 95% package, it's a 50 grand license fee and 3177.96 per month. If you want to take all the commission, whether you want to be a Res agent or your own brand, this is how it works. Every sale, you'll receive all the commission. The monthly fee is 6155.92 plus VAT, and a once-off license fee of 70 grand. On the 100% at that fee, that includes up to 5 agents at that fee. The moment you pop over 5 agents, you go to what we call variable billing. And on variable billing, it's plus R9.20 per lead. To give you a few example points here.
Explain the lead.
Yeah, so a lead means something that comes in from the Property 24 portal. It's the cost of R9.20. So let me give you a little example. So on the 100% package, there was an agent that joined Res, and then he left Res to go and try and do it, to build his brand himself, which many people do. He came back to see us and he said, guys, I'm paying P24 about 30 to 40 grand a month. When I was with you, I was paying about 7 to 8 grand a month. So he came back. He didn't have to pay the license fee again. We just switched his services back on. Same thing if you're on the 80%, then 85, the 90. So if you're on one of the paid packages and for whatever reason, you can't pay your monthly invoice, you won't lose your license. All that happens is you ask us to pause your billing. Real estate's not like any other business. And I don't care which trainer says what. You go through a patch in real estate where you're doing everything you can. You list in stock, you price counseling sellers, but you're just not finding a sale. You just keep on going. So we understand that. We won't sell your license from under your feet. You never lose it. One of the problems in our industry is when people buy a franchise, which comes with royalty costs. If they can't pay that franchise fee for a couple of months, the holding company takes back that franchise, sues the guy for the balance of the money, and resells that franchise. At Res, we say we don't like that. Once you purchase a license from Res for 85, 90, 95, or 100%, it's yours forever. If you can't, for whatever reason, pay the monthly fee, you just inform our people that send you the invoice in our billing team to please pause it. When you pause it, you go down to the 80% level. When you're ready and you can pay that fee, we switch you back on. When you are paused, all of your old deals will be at the old levels. From the day you pause your 85, 90, 95, 100% package, from the day you pause it, from that day, any deals will be on 80%. When you catch up again, you go back up to, for example, the 100%, and you immediately back onto 100%. So how do we work? When you join us, you'll receive a welcome email from our team, and this email will contain your login to Prop Control, the system we use to load your listings. All the paperwork you need will be in that email, your rental docs, your OTP. All the procedures are explained in that email, and we give you access to the agent membership area on our website, so you can also download any docs that you need, because as you know, the law's changing and we're updating our docs all the time. You will also receive access to the Res app to request your Lightstones, your CMAs, contact numbers, all free of charge from the app. By the way, team.
And to share our model.
Yeah, very importantly. To share our model, send your OTPs in and arrange a bond and a pre-qual on your bond. But I just want to say we've got a very big team behind the Res app, all operating virtually, waking up with their coffee at 8 o'clock, serving you Monday to Friday from 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. They are so fast your head will spin. I've had agents that have joined us and said, geez, gee, I'm so glad I don't have to bugger around in Lightstone or CMA anymore. I just put it in the app, and when I did one the other day, I got it in 5 seconds, and they don't know it's me, hey? So they are very fast. So how does it work when you do your first sale at Res? Just going to outline the process for you. So you sign your mandates, you load your listings on Prop Control, which feeds your listing to 21 portals in the country, including P24, the Real Estate Services website, private property, and then you will then start receiving leads, and you conduct viewings on sales. You then conclude an OTP, buyer and seller signs, you send it into Res via the Res app, or you email it over to our team, who will then open the file, instruct the attorneys from head office, and confirm FICA and compliance. If FICA is not in order, we'll tell you what's needed so you can get it together. Our admin team then tracks that deal all the way through to lodgement. When it lodges, we again check compliance, and then we send out a warning to the attorneys not to release any payments until FICA and compliance is in order. So one thing about our business, we are very, very compliant. We do not do anything untoward. We operate as the law requires. So FICA and PPRA requirements must be in order. But like I say, we do hold your hand and we help you. So then when it lodges, we then advise you to send your invoice for your portion of the commission to the lawyers, and Res sends their portion. So you get paid the same time we get paid. Once the matter registers and compliance is in order, we instruct the attorneys to release payment. If FICA is not in order, you won't get paid until it's in order, because we advise the attorneys in that manner. And this ensures that the agent and Res get paid at the same time, ensuring you receive your funds due without delay. And that for us is amazing. So your sales commission doesn't come to Real Estate Services, it goes straight to you when it registers.
That way, there's also no hold, because the money is, number one, in our account.
Yeah, doesn't need to be processed.
Oh, correct. And number two, you are in control of getting your own money. So once you send that invoice to the attorneys, they pay you, they pay us, no problems.
Perfect. Thank you, guys. We're almost done. Thank you for your patience. I hope you're enjoying this and finding it insightful. For rentals, how it works, also pretty straightforward. Sign the mandates, load your listings on Prop Control. You start doing your viewings. Once you have a tenant that's interested, you send the rental application form with the client's paperwork to our team. They also, lightning fast, they will run the credit checks, affordability checks, get back to you and tell you if it's approved. And then once it is approved, you can draw up the lease, send the lease along with the ingoing inspection and all the required paperwork and FICA docs to the rental team. Carol, by the way, heads up the rental team, and I head up the sales team with Guy and Dino.
With a fantastic admin team behind me.
Carol's got a fantastic.
Without them, there's no ways we could be as fast as what we are.
So what Carol and her team do, they will load your lease up onto the WeConnectU system. They will collect payments. They will raise invoices, settle all parties, pay the agent. If it's once off or monthly, do that. Send invoices and statements for both management and procurement or once-off leases. Another thing that is quite important, our documentation does have standard pricing in it. We don't have a minimum threshold. We do advise in the paperwork what you should charge. The same on sales. There's an open line there. We encourage our people to write 7.5% plus VAT, but we all know the world's in a bit of turmoil at the moment. People are under financial pressure. So if you do a sale and it's only 3% or 1% or whatever it is, you won't hear from us. You'll get your split and you can carry on. The same with the rental business. Yeah. For management leases, our team will continue to pay out commissions to the agent and the landlord every month and do the statements and the invoices on your behalf automatically. So that's very important to understand. The lease then runs its course accordingly. Once the lease ends, the deposit is released after our team has inspected the outgoing inspection. Landlord's happy, agent's happy, or you can renew the lease and it goes on for another term.
Just to clarify something, on the profit share, we do not do the 5% profit share on the rentals purely because the amounts are too small. So the profit share is applicable to a sale and not on a rental.
100%. Thank you. So what if some of the agents said about working with us? I thought I'd just share this and read it to you. So this amazing agent, Des Keeley, lovely guy. If you're there, Des, hello. I'm going to read it to you. If you're an entrepreneur in real estate, someone who values independence, results, and the freedom to build your own brand, then RES is the company for you. RES strips away the unnecessary frills and flashy distractions that many traditional real estate companies often use to mark inefficiencies. What RES offers is a rare and streamlined entrepreneur-focused business model that respects your time, your energy, your vision. It's a company that understands that real estate agents don't need applause. They need support, systems that work, and the space to thrive. RES is not for everyone, like we've said, but it's for the doers, the builders, the entrepreneurial agents who know their worth and are ready to take ownership for their success. Des, thank you so much for saying that. I couldn't have said it better myself. Yeah. Liesel Pagel, we've known Liesel for a long time. She's a lovely, hardworking agent, does sales and rentals. Liesel, thank you for these comments. Liesel has said, a truly professional company that offers both property practitioners and clients alike a fantastic real estate experience. As with their motto, we make real estate a breeze. Thank you, Liesel. Their property professionals really go the extra mile to simplify the process of selling and buying a home under the director of fantastic leadership. Thank you so much, Liesel. One more. Mawande is an amazing soul. He's a top agent down in Port Elizabeth. We've got many more, guys, but we only chose 3. Mawande, thank you for writing this. He said, joining real estate services is one of the best decisions I've ever made in my life. The company offers more to their agents and their support is amazing. It is really a game changer. More commission in my pocket, no desk fees, and no royalties. Thank you, Mawande. All righty, we're about to wrap it up, guys. And by the way, guys, Jade did all of this. It's so beautiful. I think it's so professional. Alrighty. So how do you join us? If you want to join us, how do you do it? You simply engage with the person that invited you to attend this event, and they will hold your hand and help you. Or alternatively, if you came via some other means or way, just go into Google, type in realestateservices.co.za/landing page, or just go to the website and you'll see how you can apply to join us directly from there. We look forward to helping you have your best life and business as an agent or business owner. And just by the way, we have spoken to estate agents in this presentation. This is also very applicable to conveyancing attorneys that want to start their own team, which we have many in our business, and to property practitioners that are principals running their own business but are not keeping up with the costs. In closing, I want to say this again. At Real Estate Services, we use an economic principle called economies of scale to your benefit. Normally what happens is economies of scale means if there's 50 agents in a business and the monthly cost is 50,000, then the average cost per agent is what? 1,000 Rand, right? Now the agency grows, they've got 100 agents. The average cost shouldn't go up. It should stay the same at the very least, even with inflation. And that's what we do at Real Estate Services. We don't filter as we grow that money up to any fat cats. We pass that on to our agents to bring these services at prices that are unheard of in South Africa. So, yeah, thank you very much for everyone that joined us. At this stage, we'd just like to hear if there are any questions. I'm going to try and get that little screen back up again. Are there any questions? Let's have a look. How do I do this? Let's see. Jade and David, you can, yeah. No, that's the wrong button.
Gio, you went so fast. Your video is paused on your own video. It's fine. Your presentation was amazing. This is how Real Estate Services operates. I've known Gio since 2021. And when he says they pay fast, they certainly do. So,
thank you, David.
So, Gio, if you don't mind, I can just bring up some questions that haven't maybe been.
Please, let's do that.
There are a ton of comments. Jade has done a good job on answering most. Let's just see if we can find any questions. If you've got any other questions you want to ask, guys, just pop them into the chat and we can address them quickly. We won't keep you too long.
Yeah, guys, we're at the top of the hour. That went so quick. I can't believe it. I'm just trying to get into the questions just to see if there's anything I could add value to their chat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Alrighty. Gee whiskers. Wow. Let's just scroll up and have a look here. Okay. Good morning. Wonderful, everybody. Good morning. Look at this energy in here, hey? Righty.
I think, David, you've obviously got some of those questions ready for us to answer.
Yeah. So
instead of us scrolling through the whole chat.
I'm going to start at the bottom. So how do I download the app? I suppose that is what you get. It's not necessarily downloadable. It's you said a web app. So I'm assuming you have.
So yeah, let me answer that question. So you don't download the app. When you join Real Estate Services, our team will give you access and log into the app. Thank you. Perfect. Yes, a recording will be available, Paula. Jade, if you could just confirm that you would be sending this out to everybody, and then David from your side as well, please.
Yeah, we are.
There's a question. Is the rentals from Voter? Hi, Voter. Thanks for joining us. Is the rentals also on the same? Yes, absolutely.
100%.
Yes. However, do you want to explain?
Yeah. The only thing with the rentals, because we work on WeConnectU, obviously that costs Res money. Now, if you just use your logic, you can understand with Res only getting the 20% of the rental. And then we still have to pay the bank charges.
Trust account.
We still have to worry about the trust account. We still have to do the audit, etc., 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 and pay for WeConnectU. So on a managed rental, we charge the agent for the first month 90 Rand. That covers uploading of the deal and all the FEEC screening. Thereafter, on a managed rental, there is a cost of 40 Rand per month for the duration of the lease. If it is a placement rental, the cost is a once-off 50 Rand, and this comes off the agent's commission.
Okay. And then also, Wouter, just to expand further. So let's say you buy a 100% package. Sales is all 100%. On rentals, if you want Carol and her team to do the statements, the invoicing, holding money in trust, accruing interest, taking care of audits, Carol will do it for you at 80/20. If you want to do it yourself, you can, but then you need to set up yourself with a trust account to enable you to do that. I hope that makes sense.
And that would only be on 100%
yes,
package.
Correct.
Anything under the 100%.
It's the same.
Example, if you come in and you're on a 95 or a 90% package, Res will then operate the rentals for you. But on those deals, we do take a 20%.
Okay, cool. Wouter, another question, great question. How does it work with RP5 if the attorneys pay the commission? So remember, Wouter, what I said. At Real Estate Services, you don't work for Real Estate Services, you work for yourself. Under our banner, under our services, and our contract clearly states that, and it clearly states that you will be responsible to take care of your own taxes. So what does that mean? That means you will operate as a self-employed individual, you can become a provisional taxpayer, but we do suggest that you contact an accountant or a bookkeeper to help you do your taxes, because you will need to pay your own taxes. Because you don't work for Res, we do not deduct pay as you earn. Only our staff get pay as you earn deductions because we pay them salaries. All of our agents are not getting pay as you earn deductions. So if your commission on your deal on the 100,000 example and you're on 80,000, you will receive 80,000 Rand in your bank account. You need to take care of your own taxes, and as such, we will not issue RP5s. Hope that makes sense, Wouter. Thank you. Alta, if we start a team, do all the agents have to register with Res? Yes, absolutely. Yes. And that is standard protocol. Martin says, thanks very much. We'll be in touch. Martin, thank you so much. Happy you could join us. Hello, thank you, Gio and Carol. Do you consider candidate agents? Yes, absolutely. So it's a great question, Henlo. Thanks for coming in. Henlo, to answer your question, all you need is a valid FFC, and you need to be able to be saying to us what your deal volume is, and then our onboarding team will assess. So it doesn't matter if you're an intern, if you're an NQ4 or an NQ5. Intern, NQ4, NQ5, all welcome. We look at your production and your years of experience. I hope that helps, Henlo. George, thank you for the kind words. We appreciate it. Lovely to have you here. Morongwe, may I please have? Yes, the recordings will be sent. I have more questions. Please let me know if I may call you. Jade will be in touch with you, Faranaz. Thank you so much, and they can help you with pleasure. Anthony, there's an email. Okay, Jade will take care of that. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, everybody. Have a lekker weekend too. Please send audio. Yeah, Anthony, this will be recorded. Let's just see. Recording will be sent. Jade, if you could please just confirm that a recording will be sent to everybody, I'd be so grateful. My WhatsApp's also blowing up suddenly, but I'm going to focus on keeping it in here. Okay, there we go. So Jade, thank you for sharing that. I'm just going to share it again, guys, before we wrap up. If you want to join us, that's the link in the comments now. Thank you. Thank you very, very much, everybody. It's been wonderful. What's the question? There was
a question. Do we assist with getting the FFC changed from, I think it was from, it's gone now.
Oh, wait, let me scroll up.
To the correct.
Oh, there we go. Norman, yes. Do you assist to transfer? So great question, Norman. When you come on board, you will have an FFC with your existing company, and that enables us and authorizes us, once you've joined us, you go live immediately. Our onboarding team will send you an email and advise you how you can move your FFC. We'll give you the letter that you need, the PPRA letterhead, to move your FFC from your company where you are now to Real Estate Services. You can either do it yourself or you can get in touch with Natalie. She did share her details here, and Natalie will help you for a small fee to do that for you. Here's another question from Zahn. When you have a team member under you, what percentage do they get? Zahn, great question. It's your business. You make up the rules. You can be a copy of us and do it like we do it, or you can do it yourself. So if you purchase a 95% package, you can give your agents 90%. If you purchase a 100% package, you can give your agents 90%. Just bear in mind, if you got a 100% package and you can't pay your bill for whatever reason, everybody drops to 80. So you don't want to get yourself in that situation. So make sure you're ready to do the upgrades. And I hope that makes sense. Thanks for the question, Zahn. If we join under a team, can we still use the app? Yes, absolutely. Norman, powerful. Thank you. Shahida, kindly forward me the recording. Please, Jade will do that to everybody. Please confirm, Jade. Let me just see, was there another? Yeah, recordings will be sent. Oh, I see, whenever Jade types, it says Mr. G. Gudger. I've never had anybody call me Mr. before in my life, man. Alrighty.
Guys, I think that we could probably sit here for another 2 hours answering questions, which I think is not going to be beneficial for everybody on this.
Yeah, you know, it's fine, Carol. No. It's fine. So if you want to leave, you can leave. If you have a question and you want to just talk, just unmute yourself and we'll go live with pleasure. Okay. Thank you, Franco. Thank you, boy. Nice to have you here.
Hi, Giovanni. I would like to just ask a question regarding Farinaz. It's Farinaz, sorry, from Cape Town.
Farinaz.
Hi. I just want to ask a question. Like, you said you don't want to take rookies. Like, I recently started with branded company.
No, I never said that. No, it's very important. I never said we won't take on rookies. I said anybody that's intern or NQ4 or NQ5 is eligible to apply to join us.
But not a brand new rookie.
Not a brand new. So brand new meaning I started officially in November last year, but the training started in January.
How many sales have you done?
Only one.
Yeah, for now. So our minimum entry level is at least 5 sales. So for Farinaz, you're a little bit ahead of the curve, but it's good that you've got some excitement in your life to aim towards this as you learn. So what we say to people like you, Farinaz, and to any other person that hasn't done at least 5 sales in the last 12 months, you've got a wonderful target to work towards, because you know, once you do 5 sales, you can come across to us. Jade can have a look at your application and we can say, yes, you can have 80%.
Perfect, perfect. I really like that. I'm very chuffed and I'm very, very encouraged now to get that 5 done so I can move over to you guys.
And all the best, Farinaz. You're in a very exciting industry. We wish you all the best. Whereabouts in South Africa are you joining us from?
From Cape Town.
Lekker, man. Lovely, lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time.
I see Razik has put his hand up. Razik, just unmute yourself and ask us a question with pleasure. Now, it looks like Razik's gone for a smoke. All right, let's see. Here's a question.
How's it, Gio?
There we go.
How's it, Ross?
Good, good, good. No question. I'm just showing you that I'm here. Akil is here with me.
Thank you.
If there's any legal questions, Akil is here with me.
Thank you so much. Good morning, Akil. Right, Ispu asks, how much % can I give to my agent if I want to upgrade my package? Very similar question that what we had last time. Ispu, great question. With us, it's your business. So if you're on 80% or you're buying the 100% package, you can build a team and you can have agents in your team, and you, sir, or ma'am, I'm presuming it's a sir, can set the level of commission of your agents, because we want you to realize that without you, none of this happens. Without every one of us on this call, people aren't buying houses, people aren't renting houses. It's not the brand that does it. It's you, Carol, and me that does it. So very important and a lovely question. I see here's another question. Are there any where was
limits?
Are there any, AB asked, are Are there limits on how many Lightstone and contact numbers you can request? Yes, good question. No limits on Lightstone, no limits on CMA reports. We give you 50 numbers free of charge a week. If you need more than 50, you just mention to our team which service provider. We use many, virtual agent, CMA, you name them, we use them all. And you can then just pay in the cost price. If you want 1,000 numbers, we can do it for you, but 50 a week free of charge and no cost. Malcolm says, sounds and looks good. Thinking. Thank you so much, Malcolm. And he says, thanks for the meeting. We're very happy you joined us, Malcolm. Thank you.
I'd also like to just add this. We are not here to push anybody to join us. We are not here to try and force anybody. What you see is what you get. If anybody is thinking about joining us and you are still unsure, or as we get often and we get asked, what is the catch? There is no catch. You are more than welcome to go onto our website, find any of the agents that work under our banner and speak to them directly. So that it doesn't just sound like it's coming from us and we're offering all this great story. Go and work it out for yourself. And also go and do some comparisons with other virtual agencies, where you can actually look at what we are offering, what other people are offering, and you will soon see and realize that what we are offering is way superior.
Yeah, I mean, and it's easy for us to say it, but we've done the analysis 5 years ago, 6 years ago now. There's still nobody that's able to do what we're doing. And it's not easy to do what we're doing. We make it look easy because it's our passion. And for me personally, and for Carol, we get up every morning thinking, whose life are we going to change today? And that's what gives us the energy to do what we're doing every day by the grace of God. Here's another comment. Pumzile, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much, guys, for an incredible presentation. I will be in touch. Thank you so much, Pumzile. Our team looks forward to hearing from you. Let's just scroll on a bit more here. That's Jade. Norman says, I found a virtual agent system to provide more updated context than CMA. Yes, sir. So we do also use them. And when our agents are using it via the app, they can say, I want a VA, virtual agent contact, or I want a CMA. We've got many systems that we use. So great question, Norman, and we do use them all. And you can specify where it must go with pleasure. Here's a comment from Ken. Hi, I'm Ken from PE, my hometown. Hello, Ken. Just want to say your collaboration and teamwork has made this meeting a success. Well done. I'm looking forward to join you guys. Oh, thank you so much, Ken. We're honored to have you, man. We got a massive team in Ken. We got some, sorry, Ken, in Port Elizabeth. What's it called now? Kwekabega. And guys, the PE guys are rocking it, eh? I tell you something.
There we can see Ken.
Hello, Ken. Lovely, lovely. Here we go. Sibongile says, I'm a candidate for a year with 3 sales. I'm coming for you guys once I reach the minimum. Yes, man, Sibongile. Go, go, go. I love it. I love it. I love it. You know, guys, I'll tell you something. One of my biggest problems I had when I became an agent, and we all know, let's be honest, being an agent ain't easy, right? It's not easy. It's hard work. We deal with difficult situations because as an agent, we don't own the property. We don't own it. It's the landlord's property or the tenant's renting or the purchaser's buying and the seller's selling. So our role as an agent is simply to take and receive the information from the clients, pass it through our knowledgeable brain and experience, and pass it on to the owner. And I find that sometimes we get stressed because we try to solve problems that we shouldn't solve. But that being said, I love this industry. It's a hell of a tough industry, but it's changed my life. I can tell you guys, I've been doing this for over 20 years. There's many times I've prayed and cried before, God, help me. God, I can't take it. I don't know what to do. And when I get in that situation, I know it's not a training session, but I just want to say, take heart. Get back to the basics of being an agent. The basics are, number 1, spend at least 1 hour sourcing stock for sale or for rental. From Monday to Friday, 1 hour, source stock. Number 2, price counsel and adjust your listings. And number 3, keep refreshing your stock online. If you do those 3 things every day, you will do business and you will be successful. And lovely, 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 lovely to see everyone here. Here's a question. Karen says, Karen is an agent with us. She says, start packing. You can make it before end of April. You sound like a cat. Oh, she's talking to the other lady. Oh, lovely, man. Lovely, Karen. Bless your heart. Colin says, how do you deal with Corex boards on show, sale, to let, etc.? Great question. So, Colin, thanks for joining us, and thank you for the question. At Res, we will provide you with all the template artwork with the bleed lines for the boards and the triangles for the on-shows. So you can then simply go to your area where you live and go onto Google and find a good, a reputable, affordable printer. There's many of them all over the country. We used to help with it, but the people aren't reliable. So unfortunately, we no longer do that, but it's not a problem, in fact, because you got the artwork. So all you got to do, like, let's say, I don't know whereabouts in South Africa you are, Colin, but let's say you're in PE, my hometown, and you just go onto Google or you ask around for printing shops and get quotes, and then obviously go and visit them, see their shop, and then get your stuff printed. We provide you with all the artwork to do that, yeah? I hope that answers your question, Colin. Thank you.
The other thing, Colin, is the reason we don't do the boards, etc., is because we don't make a markup. We don't take any.
None of our services have a markup.
If you know somebody that can do it at a great rate, totally go ahead.
Let's see what else. Paula. Paula's one of our. Paula says, join. I've worked with a few agencies and Res is the only one that's never tried to be dishonest with me. And I never speak without proof. Shame. That's a
true story.
That's a, yeah, guys, you know, I mean, we don't want to be negative on a public forum, but it's a big challenge out there for agents. Eh? It's a sad truth. So thank you so much for that, Paula.
On my screen, looking into the people in the audience, I keep seeing Keegan. Keegan, I think since you have joined Res, and I know I work quite closely with you, because Keegan does a lot of rentals. Keegan is down in Natal. I think we have changed your life tenfold with the deals that I see you submitting.
My wife is very happy, guys.
That's all you need to say.
It's been an absolute blessing. Just to say a bit about Res and who they are, people of integrity. There's not a time that I don't receive assistance. You're making me a better agent. I'm just so thankful for the opportunity. It's been an absolute blessing since I joined you guys, and it's been so fruitful. So thank you so much, guys, for the opportunity.
Likewise. It's a pleasure working with you, Keegan. And Tammy, obviously. Tammy is Keegan's wife.
Shot, Keegs, shot, my brother. Colin says he's from Centurion. Okay, Colin, yeah, we've got very strong agents in Gauteng, Joburg and Centurion. So I'm pretty sure one of the Res agents will be able to help you should you decide to join us. The other thing that happens when agents join us, you get access to our WhatsApp broadcast group. You get access to our social, our listing, and our business group on Telegram. We announce sales every single day on Telegram. You can ask questions on there. Our support team is looking at it all the time, and many agents are looking at it because they can help as well. So, Colin, there's many good printers in Centurion. Let's see.
We don't announce the rentals on a daily basis purely because there's too many.
It's too many.
It's just too many. I would spend my whole day just doing a list of new deals coming in.
Lovely, lovely. Let's just see. Mandy says, yeah, thank you. An incredible company, incredible leadership. Appreciate everything the company stands for and offers. Thank you so much, Mandy. Shalane.
No need to think.
No need to think. Just move to Res. You won't. Shalane, bless your heart. Thank you for joining us, man. Shalane, I believe he's also in Centurion, hey? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Keegan, champion of rentals from Karen, hey? I see. You're becoming famous, Keeks. George says, I'm moving over. Thank you, George. Thank you for joining us, sir. AB says, do you take on new developments? So Sorry?
The agent can take on it.
Yes, yes, you can take on anything. You can take on developments. We've in fact got many agents that do developments, and we've got some very clever ideas to help you market that. So absolutely, AB. Thank you for joining us, AB.
Hi, it's Amy. My surname starts with a B, so it's AB. But hi.
Hi.
My question is just like, how strong are you with off-plan? Because it's very different from selling.
We're very strong and we'll help you. Don't you worry.
Okay.
Yeah, we got many agents doing it. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much for joining us, AB.
No
Where are you from?
Johannesburg.
Joburg, let's go, baby.
Yeah.
What do they say? There's no burger like a Joe burger, eh?
Absolutely.
Right, let's see. Another Hera just joined on the 1st of April, and I'm very happy with the virtual platform, the WhatsApp, Telegram, and email services. Thanks to Jade for the kindness. Oh, lovely, Jade. Welcome, Ellen. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Corin's, okay. Oh, shame. Paula says, and Carol has the patience of a saint with me. Shame. Bless your heart, Paula. Thank you. Shalane says, guys, just finish your deals and move over. Maybe that's an important point to end this on. So thank you, Shalane.
I want to mention that. So a lot of the time we have property practitioners wanting to come across and join us. However, they have got money in a pipeline or waiting for deals to register, etc. And they are scared that the existing company they are with either withholds that commission or does such a huge deduction that they don't get the commission.
So either wait or switch.
Correct. So the way to deal with this is, if you are waiting for a huge commission to pay out, or any commission to pay out, doesn't have to be huge, bridge your deal. If the deal is safe and secure, bridge it so that you get 80% of that money out before you leave. For the money that is left, should at the time when it registers, the company doesn't pay you, with what you are going to make up by joining real estate services is going to be tenfold. So we are not telling you to be dishonest. You deserve that money. You've already done the deal. We do not believe in dishonesty. We are not going to take any cent from anybody if it doesn't belong to you. But you can bridge on that deal, get your money in and make the change. Don't let people hold a noose or a barrel around you to say, you can't.
Amen.
Because you'll get into a circle and into a rut where you can never leave, because you are never not doing deals in that pipeline. So at some point you have to make a cutoff. You have to make a conscious decision of how you're going to do it.
If I can, yeah, that's such an important point. Thank you, Shalane. So successful agents want to take their lives further. We want to earn all the commission or most of it as high as possible. That's why we agents, all entrepreneurial. Our business is made up and acknowledges exactly that. Other agencies don't. So unfortunately, if you got deal in a pipeline with some agencies and you resign, they'll just take your money. So what we advise you do, this is very important, is bridge 80% of your entire pipeline, so at least you get 80% of it, number one. Number two, send an email before you resign. Send an email saying, these are my deals in the pipeline that I've bridged on. I still got 20% you because you can bridge 80. Or if you don't want to bridge them, these are my deals. Please confirm the commission that I will receive should I decide to move to another agency. That's all you got to say. And if they respond in writing, you will receive your commission on those deals of so much. Make sure the amount is mentioned, or you mention the amount, then you're fine. But you know, it's one of the sad things in our industry that agents hold on to good agents and don't let them leave. Or at the very least, they do something even worse. They make it so difficult for the agent to leave that the agent doesn't leave. Or I've even seen this, where the agent sits down and is a nice and honest person, and they go sit down face to face, and that principal on the other side starts crying and starts using emotional tactics to get you to stay. Guys, like Carol said, we're not here to convince you. We're not here to sell you anything. We are here to tell you about real estate services and how we change agents' lives for the better. If that resonates with your heart, with your mind, with your soul, by all means, proceed. And if you want to engage with us after this for advice on any matter that we've covered here today, you can reach out to me or Carol or to Jade with pleasure. And we are here to help you and hold your hand and take your career onwards. I see we might have one or two more. Guys, we are going to shut off. Let's just see. We're going to take these last questions.
No.
Henry says, thank you so much, guys. Just moving to res. I got 30% increase on rentals. Come on, baby.
Well done, Henry.
Henry was on a 50-50. 80-20 was a game changer. Yes, and I'm going to get them.
Sorry.
Zon, can we start with you while we still need to do 2 months notice? No, that's illegal, Zon. Thanks for joining us, Zon. Lovely to have you. You can't. You need to engage with your company. If you've got money in the pipeline, get it in writing that you're going to get paid should you decide to move to another agency. Say it like that, because then they can stomach it. Okay, hope that helps. Catherine says, hey guys, do you have to have done 5 sales in a specific time frame? I stepped away from real estate for a short while and I've started my own brand powered by another agency. I only have Incure 4. I would love to join, as the mentorship and what real estate services offers is incredible and what I'm lacking. So Catherine, just go back to Jade and apply. I'll tell you, we'll let you in. Based on what you've told me, it sounds like you know what you're doing, okay? And you are already with a reputable brand. So all the best, Catherine. Thank you for joining and thank you for your question. Colin says, do you prefer agents to focus on either residential or commercial? Similarly, on sales or rentals? Colin, thank you for joining once again. I think it's your second or third question. We don't mind. And we got agents doing sales and rentals, on commercial and on normal residential real estate, and we have the expertise in our business to handle it all.
If this can answer your question, Colin, a deal is a deal, regardless of what the deal or where the deal comes from. We don't dictate on the commission. We don't dictate on where you work or how you work, provided it is above board and everything is legit. One thing I can tell you on the rentals, I have one particular agent. This agent is earning himself between 100 and 130,000 Rand commission per month. Per month. So a deal is a deal is a deal. Don't turn any business away. You take what you can get with both hands.
Absolutely. So, guys, we are done. We've gone a half an hour over. Thank you so much, Jade, Carol, Franco. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining us. Lovely Friday afternoon to all and a lovely weekend up ahead. And let's hope the rain chills a little bit in Joburg. Guys, God bless. Thank you and goodbye.
Guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Whatever you're doing, be safe. Get out there. Sell, sell, sell. Regardless of who you're working under. Sell, sell, sell.
Thank you, guys. Cheers for now. Hey, bye-bye, everybody.